Introducing the Hisense 5.8 cubic foot stainless steel slide-in electric range with fast preheat. It's equipped with 5 elements, including both dual and triple elements. They could fit pots and pans from 6 to 12 inches in diameter. It also comes with a power boil cooking element that goes from 0 to boiling in a snap. And with our fast preheat technology, you just might be ahead of schedule for dinner. The air fryer mode gives you a healthier alternative to fried foods, but with the same crunch you love. This true convection oven circulates heated air around the food continuously for faster and more even baking and roasting on every rack. Even better, this oven includes special modes such as dehydrate, pizza bake, bread proofing, convection bake, convection roast, frozen bake, and broil. Equipped with 2 cleaning options, self-cleaning for an easy scrub-free cleanup and steam cleaning for those occasional messes. And of course, comes with a 2-year full warranty, twice as long as others. That's Hisense, a better way to cook.